What's up, guys? We're gonna be dog chasing. I'm gonna be chasing my dog, my aunt's dog right there. So, if you didn't hear me, I'm gonna be chasing my aunt's dog. Okay, my baby German Shepherd is still in the house. So, at first I had did it. It was about like 10 minutes, but guys, I did have the camera on. Then when I noticed it, I was like, oh man. So we're gonna be doing it again, basically, just in case there was behind the scene action. So 1, 2, 3, let's go.
From him all the way down, everybody. People was having to trying to come around and look up under my desk and said, I said, what? And I said,
He's hard to get. I'm trying to get that toy from his mouth.
That's why I ain't been trying to buy nothing for myself. I want my nails to be done, but I've been trying to wait because I know when I get in my house, it's gonna take me a good probably 3-4 weeks just for me to get it how I really want it. So like I said, the front room and the room over here,
I almost had him, guys.
talent still on the wall.
Okay, let me get behind him.
I got talent.
We're gonna start chasing him again.
I'm gonna tell you when I get in there. Mom said he'll help me do this. I said I'm just ready to get in, but it's pain.